Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave. Good displays. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Corolla hatch, Ascent Sports. Stock reference number 4407. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2015 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has a slight fold on the front edge. Right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.